everyone. Hi there again, lovely people of God, and welcome to another episode. Yes, Pia. Si Pia
What are you going to talk about?
I'm going to talk about Koan. Why do we get married? The first sacrament that God instituted was the sacrament of matrimony between Adam and Eve. So, maging na siya sa Book of Genesis, the first book of the Bible, the Book of Genesis. Pakadungit at ako mahuga sa plato. Uy, din ni paid advertisement si George, si John Roxanne, pero kung ganahan sad sila, pwede rin sila permanente. Kanang, I'm about to wash the dishes kay mama niya akong trabaho diri sa amo ang balay. Okay, yeah. So, the first book of the Bible, Genesis, God mentioned there that it is not good for man to be alone. Like, magbuwag raman gyapon mo, magminyo-minyo man ka, magbuwag ra gyapon mo. So, that is so sad because, people are no longer trusting each other. And people are no longer trusting God. That God is gracious and that God will give you the best. He is not perfect. I am not perfect. I have my own weaknesses. He has his own. But then, ang good thing lang sa amo ang duha is that we pray. Kasi si God din ang nag-hold sa amo. And kanang mo bitaw na nga magminyo ka, it has, before you live together, ask first the blessing of God. Hindi mo siya ganahan magminyo ang tao. Actually, hindi na siya ganahan magminyo ang tao. So our real enemy is the devil, baya, di ba? Hindi siya ganahan magminyo ang tao. It's because when two people are in love, di siya ganahan demonyo, anak. Because wala siya love. And that's why he always makes sure that, marriages will fail. Para happy siya. And let's not allow that to happen. Katong why magminyo ang tao? Because that is the will of God. Si Mama Mary gani, she wanted to stay in the temple. God chose her to get married. And true enough, God gave her Saint Joseph. And Saint Joseph is the best husband in the world.